Boom, you rocking with the best. And the best is you. It's your boy, Sigmund Valentine, your homeowner advocate. I am the guy who ensures you don't lose money, time, or deal with the headaches of contractors. So we're about to go into this ADU to figure out and find out what these contractors are doing. And I'm sure they're doing an awesome job. Let's go check it out. Boom, you rocking with the best, and the best is you. It's your boy Sigmund Valentine coming in to check and see what our licensed contractors are doing here at this 799 square foot ADU in Moreno Valley. We have it almost dried in. We have the rough plumbing and electrical done. Boom, walk right into the living room area, and the kitchen will be right there. And here is the bedroom here, the second bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom. And it's a very spacious bedroom at that. Beautiful windows, closet, awesome here. Then this will be the stackable washer and dryer here. And then this will be the bathroom, 4-bedroom number 1, and the common area here, kitchen and living room. And then boom, we come straight down this hallway. Big, beautiful windows. And this is gonna be a big door here facing the pool, so they have a great view. And then this is the master bedroom and the bathroom here. And closet area here. 799 square feet, Moreno Valley. As you can see, the rough electric is in. Electrical box is there. And this is coming out. So we made great use of this space. Not all the time do you see a L-shaped ADU. And as you can see, it's right there by the pool, and still have space right there between the ADU and the house. Family members are gonna be living in here. And that's about the size of it. We're about to sign off. Sigmund Valentine, SoCal ADU Pros, your homeowner's advocate, ensuring that you do not lose money, lose time, and avoid contractor headaches. You know you're rocking with the best.